Here's a quick beginner tutorial on how to apply vinyl decals to ceramic tiles. First, remove any webbing or paper backing from your ceramic tile. You should be able to just pull the backing right off, but if not, soak it in some hot water with dish soap for a few minutes first. Now wipe down the shiny side of your tile with rubbing alcohol and a lint-free cloth, such as a shop towel or a coffee filter. This will help your vinyl decal adhere better. And avoid touching the surface of your ceramic tile once you've wiped it down. Now weed the vinyl decal to remove all of the parts you don't want to appear on your ornament. Start by pulling the big parts of the vinyl that you don't want off first, then use a weeding tool to remove the smaller parts. Cut a piece of transfer tape a little bigger than your design, and then put it over your design and press well with your fingers, or better yet, a scraping tool. Don't remove the backing from your decal yet. You want to keep that there for now. Carefully position your decal on the front of your tile without removing the backing. Now adhere just one side of your transfer tape to the tile with the decal in the correct position, and if you need to, cut away enough of the backing to expose the sticky side of the transfer tape on one side only. Once the decal is in position, and that means centered the way you want, up and down and side to side, press the sticky side of your transfer tape to your ornament, and it'll be on just the one side. Now flip the decal over, but keep the transfer tape stuck on that one side you press down. Remove the paper backing and carefully flip the decal back over onto your ornament, smoothing as you go from the side that is stuck to the ornament first and then outward. Adhere the vinyl to your ornament really well by rubbing the transfer tape side, and you'll get better results if you use a scraping tool, but this was such a simple design, I just used my fingers. Gently remove the transfer tape, making sure small bits stay stuck to your tile ornament. Now, with some tacky glue, apply a light amount to the back of your Kraft board hanger. Position the backing on the underside of your tile and press into place until the glue sets. It won't take very long. Now flip your tile over and apply glue to the top of the backing, just like I'm doing here. Fold the Kraft board over onto itself and onto the top of the ceramic tile. Hold it in place until the glue sets. Just be sure that your holes are matching up at the top. Now you just insert a wire hanger and you put it on your Christmas tree. Easy peasy. You can get more templates and decorations for your tile ornaments over on my blog at jennifermaker.com. I have 25 holiday words and dozens of decorations that you can use, as well as templates and borders that will make for some really awesome designs.